The function is said to be increasing on a particular interval if f of x1 is less than f of x2 when x1 is less than x2. And we know that f of x means the same thing as y, so I can replace this as y1 and y2. So let's choose a couple x values and find out what their corresponding y values are. I'm going to look at my graph and I'm going to choose x as 1, and I can see its y value right there. And I'll choose x4 and the y value right there. So x is 1 and 4, and 1 is less than 4. So let's check our corresponding y values. When x is 1, the y value is right here at 1. When x is 4, we can see that the y value is 3. And 1 is less than 3. So this function is increasing on that interval. And you can tell that from the graph as well. All increasing function means is that as the x values are increasing, your y values are also increasing. The graph is going up. Likewise, a function is said to be decreasing on an interval if f of x1 is greater than f of x2 when x1 is less than x2. And again, we know that these are the same as y values, so I can say y1 is greater than y2. So again, let's choose a couple x values. Let's say x is -2 this time, and x is 4. So -2 is less than 4, and let's find out what those corresponding y values are. When x is -2, I can see the y value is right here at 3, and when x is 4, my y value is at -2. And 3 is definitely greater than -2. So this function is decreasing on that interval. And you can see from the graph as well that the function is decreasing, it's going down. As the x values are increasing, the y values are decreasing. Function is said to be constant if f of x1 equals f of x2. So again, we'll replace this f of x with y. So if y1 equals y2, no matter what our x values are. So if I choose x as 3, and I choose x as -2. I can see that at x3, my y value is 7, and at x equals -2, my y value is also 7, making this horizontal line.